Why I joined eXp Realty, the top 3 reasons. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon. But first, let's take it away to why I do what I do. Here we go.
I relocated to the greater Sacramento area over 30 years ago as a family of 4 to plant our roots. What makes a place a home are the connections one makes to the community. Whether you're looking to buy or list your home, building the bridge to your next destination can be accomplished through my integration services. Integration through connections is what it's all about. From our family to yours, we say, welcome home. Licensed realtor in California, serving all Californians.
Why I joined eXp Realty, top 3 reasons. Reason number 1, it's an online platform. The brokerage is online. What that means to me is I'm in charge of my time management. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm in business for myself. I can go to classes when I want to go to classes. I can go to the California broker room. They have broker rooms for everyone in every state, but it's called the eXp World, this online brokerage, and that gives me a lot of advantages to run my own business and be the manager of my own time and work at my own pace and my own schedule. So that was number 1, was that I didn't have to go down to a building somewhere and be prompt and to a meeting at 9 or something like that, because I have a family. I have things that come up. I have clients that I need to take care of, and I have a business that I'm running and operating. And this online brokerage, number 1, makes it easy for me to grow at my own pace and to go at my own pace. So I'm super excited about that, and they have everything that I need. Number 2 was the capping rate. So if you're new to real estate and you're not sure what a cap rate is, basically it's you have shared commissions with the brokerage up to a certain dollar amount. And then once you reach your cap, then generally you're able to reap all of the commission for yourself so that you can reinvest back into your own business. It's an important thing to be able to do. So with a capping rate, super important that if you work in multiple marketplaces, which I plan to do, which I know many agents that do, maybe you sell here and you sell in another state, maybe you sell in multiple states, multiple counties, or multiple regions. I have many regions that I'm familiar with. I have an expansion. My business model is to grow expeditiously. And so with that in mind, I want to work for a brokerage that has that to offer me. And so eXp does. It's 1 capping rate no matter where I sell. So that was super attractive reason on why I joined. And then the 3rd reason was ownership, having skin in the game. When a company reinvests back into you, that shows where their loyalty is. And when it's agent-centric, and they do this right off at the top. They do it right off at the top with the company dollars. So right away, they're investing back in me. So that tells me that this brokerage wants me to be as successful as I can. And they're rewarding me for sharing the opportunity. They're rewarding me for bringing in a sale. They're rewarding me for capping. I'm also able to, because it's publicly traded, I'm able to earn stocks. So I reinvest back into myself. So I reinvest part of my personal commissions back into the company, but the company also invests in me. So there's ways to earn money that way as well. It also goes with my mantra. So I'm here to serve and to give back. And I want to find a company that's going to do the same thing, that's going to serve my needs and give back to me. And then that in turn allows me to serve my clients and give back to my clients. So it's just this thing comes from my faith as well, that we're blessed to be a blessing and you can't outgive. So reinvestment back into the people and the company and yourself allows you to grow expeditiously, and all those around you to grow as well. So your clients, your fellow teammates. The other thing is I have a special little surprise for you. There is a downloadable handout for you. You can download right down here. You just hit the little in my subscriber box. You can download an outline how to choose a brokerage. And basically how to choose a brokerage, the first thing you need to do is, what are you looking for in a brokerage? Like, you're in business for yourself. So what are you looking to do? What are you looking to accomplish? What type of entrepreneur are you when you're getting into real estate? So what type of realtor are you going to be? There are many different realtors out there, all with different gifts and talents. So one size does not fit all, but this model, why I chose eXp, number 1, it's an online brokerage. Number 2, I cap no matter where I'm selling and what marketplace. And number 3, they reinvest back into me, which allows me to reinvest back into my clients and into my own business and grow my brand. So those are top 3 reasons. And the tidbit that if you've stayed this long, a little wealth tip for you is reinvest. Reinvest into yourself, reinvest in marketing, reinvest in technology, take a portion of your earnings and reinvest. And the reason why you do that is so that you can grow. You cannot grow by just putting everything inside your pocket. So if you're a brokerage and you're putting all of the earnings into your own pocket and you're not reinvesting back into your agents, then you're going to limit yourself. If you're a realtor and you don't reinvest back into your clients, you don't reinvest back into sharing your services through marketing and technology, then you're going to limit your growth. You're going to limit your referrals. You're going to limit yourself. So reinvest, 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 give back. Number 1 tip for you, wealth tip, is to reinvest and give back. We're blessed to be a blessing. I hope this has been informative to you. I have so many things to share with you. This is not the end of the end. Please feel free to go ahead and hit like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, ding, 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 ding. I'm not sure if it rings when you hit it or not, but feel free to do that. I'm looking forward to many more adventures with you. We're going to be exploring the greater Sacramento area. There's a lot to come. So thanks for tuning in and check out these next videos.